If you're interested in learning about the potential benefits of fermented lemon and honey and how to make it, stick around, okay? You'll need 3 to 4 organic lemons, preferably unwaxed, but you can clean them. Raw, unpasteurized honey, enough to cover the lemons, and a sterilized jar with an airtight lid. Now let's get started. You want to prepare the lemons, wash it thoroughly, cut them into slices, and make sure they're dry. You don't want any water on them when you get started. You are going to layer your lemons and honey, layer by layer. A layer of lemons, a layer of honey. So you want to cut your lemons as thin as you can without cutting yourself. Be careful, okay? At the top, once you reach the top, you want to leave about 1 inch of headspace for the fermentation process to take place, because it's going to expand during that process. You want to seal and store. Close the jar with the airtight lid and store in a cool, dark place like a pantry for about 1 to 2 weeks. If you're hardcore like me, I do it longer, but you don't have to. Some people even do say 1 to 3 days is enough. And that's always with my videos. Do your research so you can see what works best for your home if you decide you want to try this. You want to check it and stir it every few days. Opening a jar to release any built up gases. This is known as burping the jar. Stir the mixture gently with a clean utensil to ensure the lemon stays submerged in the honey. You make sure whatever you use is sterilized. It's going to develop a deep, tangy, sweet flavor. Once the fermentation process is complete, then you want to put it in the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process. The mixture can last for several months in the fridge. Now, let's talk about potential benefits. So, fermented lemon and honey, it is a powerful combination. It's not only delicious, but it packs a variety of potential wellness perks. This golden elixir can support digestion, boost the immune system, and promote overall health, making it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Fermented lemon and honey can be used as a drink. Add a spoonful of the mixture to warm water or tea for a soothing and immune boosting drink, or more. I might get carried away sometimes. In recipes, use it for salad dressing and marinades for extra flavoring. Sometimes I'll just dip and take a spoonful personally if I don't want to do anything else with it and just want to get it done. As a topping, you can drizzle it over yogurts, pancakes, or oatmeal, and it's amazing. If you take a peek down below in the description box, I will be adding about the benefits more in detail. What are your favorite home remedies with potential benefits that you like? Also, stay tuned because I will be adding at least one more to this fermentation series. And as always, thank you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share. And again, what are your favorites to make? Share recipes. We're here for the love. And as always, see you in the next one.